Just get a small piece of garlic. Peel it, okay, just like this. So easy to get the shells off the garlic. Like this, twitch it. So the garlic, the shell will fall out. It's very easy to fall out. Garlic. Chop the parts off. And get the bad parts off. Okay, those we throw away. When we do this, we just put it here, like smash it. Smash it, then cut it. Like this, then put it in your container, your pot, where we make a cold dish of garlic, garlic flavor, cucumber. Okay, then we just cut it. Scallion or small green onion. And we just chop it. Okay. Like this, very thin, like this.
How do I do it?
You can't do it. You will cut your finger.
I'm a big like you. I can cut it.
Yeah, you will do it pretty soon. Like this. Like this. You put it in the pot. We have cucumber. For this kind of cucumber, because the skin is very tough, so usually what do we do? Or you can slice it like this, or what do? We just peel it. Like this. You don't need to peel very hard, just get most of the skin, that's all. That's no problem. Smash it and just like this. Go. this. We add one, probably this much of salt, a teaspoon or half teaspoon of salt. Add to it. Vinegar. We add. This is add a spoon. We add. This much into it. The soy sauce. You can add some light saucy sauce. How much soy sauce? 1 teaspoon soy sauce. And this is the chicken flavor soup-based mixture. That granted, you add how much? A pinch. How much is it? Just you get it, a pinch, and add it to the. And you can mix it and mix it. A little bit of garlic, a Chinese people favorite summer dish, cucumber, garlic cucumber, 蒜泥黄瓜. If you like spicy, you can add some kind of like a chili oil to it. I'll show you. The chili oil I made at home, and now one day I'll show you how to make this. Today I want to add it because the kids don't like spicy. If you like spicy, you can add this chili oil. Just 1 tablespoon chili oil to it. It will give a strong flavor. Right now this dish is done. Let me try it. Yeah, never forgot to try it. Let's see. It's so good. Very good. Want to try it? This is how it turned out. You look. And then you can right now we put it in the fridge. Put it in the fridge for 5 or 10 minutes. The flavor will be more strong and be so good.